Welcome back students. This is question number 6 which you are watching on your screen. In this question it is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64. So first of all we have to draw an angle XYZ which is equals to 64. In this question XY is produced to a point P. XY is produced. We have produced XY to the point P. Okay. Also it is given that ray YQ bisects means it divides angle ZYP into two equal parts. What is the meaning of bisects? YQ bisects angle ZYP means ray YQ bisects means divides it into two equal parts. Angle ZYP. So what we have to find? We have to find first part angle XYQ plus reflex angle QYP, right? So start the solution. As ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, I told you in our question number 5 that we always start finding the solution right from the given part, and what is given to us? It bisects angle ZYP. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. The meaning of angle 1 is angle PYQ and angle 2 means ZYQ. Mention this is as equation number 1. Now, PYX is a straight line. PYX, it is a straight line. Therefore, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle PYQ. The sum of these three angles XYZ, ZYQ, QYP will be equal to 180 degree. XYZ is given to us 64 degree. ZYQ we have written same, but angle PYQ is equals to angle ZYQ. So we will replace PYQ by ZYQ using equation 1. Now angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ, it will become 2 angle ZYQ equals 180 minus 64. 116 upon 2 equals 58. So angle ZYQ it is equals to 58. This is equals to 58 degree, right? Now we have started the solution of first part. We have to find angle XYQ. If you just hide this part, if you will hide this part of the diagram, then you can observe that angle XYQ is equals to 64 plus 58. So angle XYQ is equals to XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. 64 plus 58 is equals to 122 degree is the answer of the first part. Move on to its second part. Reflex angle YQYP. Reflex angle QYP will be equal to 360 minus angle QYP. But we don't know the value of angle QYP. So what we will do? Angle QYP or angle PYQ, both are same thing, and this is equals to angle ZYQ, and the value of ZYQ we have found 58. So we can write QYP as angle ZYQ using equation number 1, and the value of angle ZYQ is equals to 58 degree, and after subtraction it is equals to 302 degree. Therefore the reflex angle QYP is equals to 302, and therefore these are the required answer of question number 6. So we have completed exercise 6.1 here, and in our next video we will start exercise 6.2. Thank you and have a nice day.